One girl is celebrating a birthday, so she gets a golden chance to give a cake to somebody.
Today's special, sir. Today's special. Actually, generally, don't get any words to speak actually. So whatever daily I am saying, those are spontaneously and instantaneously. So situational. You are making me to talk like that because you are creating a situation and I am talking automatically. So now there is no such type of situation. So only celebrations. So already we have seen so many performances and very nice. And I have taken this video also. I have to show to my children. Charan is also trying to draw. So show him. Maybe he will get motivation from this. Thank you. And the next.
చిరంజీవి డైలాగ్ చాలా బాలకృష్ణ డైలాగ్ సార్ డైలాగ్
Right. Okay. Song. So thanks for coming here. Thanks for being here. And so nice experience with you every day. Okay. my day starts with the morning batch and my day ends with the evening batch. So every day morning wake up, so many questions you ask. So whenever saying frankly actually, whenever I'm going to bed, so then there is only one thought: tomorrow what concept and in which way we have to present. This is the only one question I ask to myself. Sir, why you are already presented now? Why you want to? Actually, every time what I want to find is I want to present newly. Because last year I presented the same thing. This year also I am presenting the same thing. So what is the use? So I didn't learn a new thing actually. I want to present the things in a new way. If I am presenting the same things every year same, you won't be, this many number of people won't come here. So some people already, again repeating means what? That repeaters are the motivations to me actually. So when a repeater is sitting in the class, then what I feel, some people are seeing me. If I am explaining the same thing in the same way, so last time explained the same thing. That is teaching me always. So we have to present in a different way. So that I like actually. So whenever one concept, I used to say, now there are so many ways to explain. So like that, so many different ways are there. Anyhow, that's it. My every day, whenever I wake up in the morning and while I'm coming, I will come with 100% enthusiasm and interest. I have to teach perfectly. And everybody in the class, 220 or 15 students, whatever it may be, everybody has to understand. This is the main aim. Not even the first bench, not even the second bench. Everybody has to understand. That is the only one motivation I have. And that makes me, maybe whenever, I'm not getting words actually. So you ask now one question. So what makes you something personal question? Our motivation to do all these things. The only a single thing. The people who came from so very different regions, very far away actually. Okay, so where is around 1500, 2000 kilometers to travel to UE. That means there is one institute. If you go there, you will get justice. That's why you are here. Okay, so that's why every day I have to keep that word actually. So you have faith on me. So if I fail, then what you will think? Arey, why you came here this much distance? Why we traveled? What this person is doing? That I don't want to get actually. So every day a new thing you have to learn from you, not from me, because the person is not important always. Please remember this sentence. Wherever you go, person is not important. System is important. Nageshwara is not giving ranks, or Nageshwara is not producing anything. System, what the system we are having. Whether I am here or not, the system is going on. Last Sunday I didn't come to institute actually. So I ventured out and I spent much time with my children only, just playing and something. So I didn't come. Although I'm not here, system is going on. That means person is not at all important. But the person established the system and he will leave. That's it. And the system is going on. That's it. So anyhow, whatever it means, that system, whatever you are a part of system, that makes you work hard. Not me, not my scoldings. And the second thing, scoldings part, the most important thing. Actually, I also know teacher should not scold first of all. Teacher has to explain the things with affection, and he has to use some very good language, and he should not use any harsh words. That I know actually. But why you are using them? The only one answer I will tell you. If I want to teach like that, it takes me 2 years. Yes, I can teach. That also I know. Also I know. But it takes 2 years to me. But that much time is not there. So the 2 years, entire 2 years MSc syllabus, we have to finish within 130 days. 6 months is also not there. 6 months is 180 days. 130 classes we have to finish. So this is the main problem. And why you are scolding me? Yes, I want to answer this question to everybody. See, there are 230 students, for example, in the class. Now, I am explaining something. One person did a mistake. Similar type of mistakes some other 20 to 30 or 30 to 40 students have done already. Okay, so now I identify one mistake and I asked her to stand and I said, get out. Then that girl is going out. So what will happen, the next time the people who have done the same mistake, they will think, okay, if you do the mistake, this person will ask to get out. So that means what? The other people are electing actually. It's not possible for me within 1 hour or 1.5 hours electing each and every one. If I send one unlucky person on that day, I don't know who is that unlucky person. That depends upon your fate on that day. So maybe, generally people will say first day, no, wherever you sit I will come. So this is my field. Okay. So that's why whenever I ask a question, you didn't say the answer. Immediately what I will do? Out. So next time, that is not actually, that's not a punishment. Maybe some of you feel, we are MSc students, why this person is asking to go out or something like that? Why this person is behaving like this? That is indication, the sign indication to all other remaining 220 students. Tomorrow while you are coming to the class, we have to study and go. Otherwise, I will get the chance to go out. Because at this stage, nobody wants to go out actually. You are 20, 24, 26. So 20, 25 years around. That's very well grown up people and mature people, and I think you know. So that's why suddenly once you come to this field, what is happening? You are taking so much time to adjust actually, first of all. Maybe you surprised actually. What is this? Throwing the notebook and you saying get out something. What is this? What's happening? All these things are electing the system and stabilizing the system. That's it. So that if I am doing that once, and everybody will, that message pass it to everybody. Okay, we have to be careful in the class. That's it. And every day I can't say, stop talking. While I'm explaining the class, I think you won't make noise. That also you said. Silence. Why that silence came? Why that silence?
There can be two reasons to it. One is mere respect, other is pride.
No problem. Actually, today, for Teacher's Day message, I'm trying to send my teacher. Half an hour I have taken to send the message. One word I am typing, maybe if it is a wrong word, that means that is a high respect on that person. Again deleting and again framing a sentence, deleting, framing a sentence. So finally, successfully after half an hour I said. Because what word makes him, that's what I'm fear. That fear is because of respect. I have, but I don't know how. Okay. So anyhow, whatever it may be. So that is the only one reason, because I don't have any personal grudge on you. Okay. So I don't know your names also actually, first of all. No need to know. Why? No need to know your names also. Only I want your settlement in the life. That's it. Whether CSR clearing or what, just a gate, it does not matter. Once you go out of this UV, you can go anywhere and you can, yeah. You can survive. That means you can teach somebody else. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the subject you are teaching, whatever the subject you are learning here, it is giving you confidence also. Yes, I can teach to somebody else.
Yes.
So that's what I am doing. So he also had faced a lot of troubles and all these things. Basically, this institute was started in 2007. You must know these things also because you are a part of UV. I don't know whether we'll get a chance to talk about this. Maybe I don't know what's the time. I think 8.
Sir, okay.
It was started in 2007 actually. It's not a CSIR or GATE coaching. It's a UV IIT Foundation. Same road, Shivam Road. There is a big tree actually. Have you seen?
Yes.
Papaji Daba.
Yes.
Papaji Daba opposite a big tree is there.
Yes.
So opposite to that big tree there is a building. In that building we started UV IIT Foundation. So 3 people. Why I am saying this story? Because sometimes in our life some problems will come. Some difficulties will come. Actually, whenever a problem or difficulty came, that is also an indication that you are going to become, you are going to get a good position in future. That is also a sign actually. But some of you, what we will do, I will tell you. Listen. So we started the IIT Foundation. 3 people are there: Maths, Physics, and Chemistry. 8th, 9th, 10th Foundation course. And at the time I was working in IIT, Narayana IIT Academy, Dilshik Nagar. So at that time I used to get 55,000 per month. So I am sent to bringing that money and spending here. So everything started, and first time class establishment, teachers, everything over. And we got 30 students only, 30. Then those people said, so only 30 students came, we won't get good income, we want to drop. If you drop, what about my income? I spent some money on this, so how I will get? No Baba, it's your problem, we are going. So they left, the 2 people left, so I am alone. So every time actually, some of you, I don't know whether you observe or not, most of the characters and most of the things on me, I will follow actually Chanakya. I don't know whether you know this Chanakya. Actually, whenever a problem came, take the revenge on that problem. Because the next problem won't come. Although next problem came, you will be having already courage to face it. So, those people went. So what to do? If you are not a fighting person, what you will do? You will close the institute and you will stop it, and we will, as usual, I will go to I will get 50,000 students, 50,000 rupees in those days. The same colleagues nowadays they are getting 35 lakhs. If I was working like that also, I used to get same 35-40 lakhs per annum. No, but I didn't stop. I continue. That's what I am saying. Fight. I don't know. Maybe that fighting nature came because of I used to play a lot of cricket actually. So whenever the game is losing, I just frustrated and shouted. I don't know. So many things actually. So here also, when you are not doing the problem, so that's type of things will come. That's not angry actually. What she said is right. Once I will question myself. Okay, maybe I have not explained well. So next time better to explain very well. Okay, anyhow, whatever it means. So that is over. And after that we started that CSI and GATE, and now it's going on. And one more thing I want to say actually, there will be so many problems, so many problems for me also there, and you are also going to face so many problems in your life. Life is not smooth, first of all. It's not smooth. Maybe today you are not having any problems, but one day definitely will face. Everybody will. I mean, it does not mean that you have to face the problem. What I am saying is, such type of situations will come. I'll tell you one more situation. The last year, June to December batch, smoothly going on. Actually, I thought that it's very good. It's going on very well. No disturbances. In the month of September, I think in the month of October, September, Charan birthday over, and after that, October, what happened? You are there with so the morning class is going on. The morning class is going on, and suddenly some people came and they shouted, "Nice dog, come out." So actually, I turned back. That was the tax riding actually. Somebody made a complaint or something like that, and okay, they came and the riding is going on till night 9 o'clock or something like that. So morning by 9 o'clock it was stopped. I think 9:15. Some problem is explaining and it was stopped. And those people, and the 10 o'clock batch was not there, and evening batch was not there. Still I was in my room only till 9 o'clock. So they verified all the papers and something, and they have taken something. And so okay, that's over. And after that, the morning batch, next day morning batch. So everybody as usual came, and everybody sitting, and everybody is watching whether this person will come or not. So I don't know what they are feeling. I think I observed that in their faces some dullness or something is there. I came as usual, and I have started my day as usual. Good morning as usual. What I want to say is that's yesterday's problem. Leave it. So it will be solved actually automatically. Okay. So whatever the problem you are having, you should not stop the work which you are doing. That's the main important thing. Whatever the problem is. Sometimes my wife also used to say so many things to me. So many times she used to ask for come for shopping or something like that. The 2 days back they went for the shopping actually. So they said, please come. No, go. Actually, the reason is, if 600 people are waiting, 650 students are waiting, then I will go and do the shopping. Then what is the meaning of that actually? That's not correct actually. In their point of view, maybe going to the shopping is correct. But for me, coming here and taking the class is very important than this. So that's why whatever the problems I have, and I don't know, okay. So but I won't mind those things actually. I won't keep it in my mind. So I will see the things separately, that family, and separately this family. So that's why maybe if I am keeping those things in my mind, I can't explain. No. So it's not possible. That's why maybe I'm seeing the things differently. Okay. And next, yeah. So whatever the problems you are facing, whatever the problem came in your life, don't stop what you are doing. Don't stop what you are doing. Please continue that. because he is observing whether this person is suitable to get a result or not. See, last time that problem came na, I didn't stop na. I continued with what do we say, doctor? Kasi. Telugu kasi antaru, but English lo em antaru? Fire. And we got 100 ranks. I forgot that bad day.
115, sir.
Huh?
115 ranks.
100 plus ranks. So that with that result I forgot actually. So what I always think is, whenever a bad thing happens, so forget that bad thing by doing some good. That's it. So I don't know how I worked. So a lot of tensions are there. Every day morning I used to go to the office and I used to sign or something. They have lost some questions I have to answer. At what time I will go? 10 o'clock batch will be over by 1:15 around 1:30. I will finish by 1:15 and I will go there and I will answer all the questions and again I will come back to 4 o'clock. So while I am coming back, I used to collect, okay, what is the next class, what is something, and I used to come here and directly I will take the class. 4:30 or 4:15 I will come here, definitely. My motivation is simple. My motto is very simple. I have to reach there by 4:30. Whatever you want to do, I have to be there. So by 4:15 I will come here and I will take the class and after. That's simple, because if one problem came, if you stop the work, tomorrow another problem will come. Then also you will stop. If you want to stop the work, why you started? If your intention is to stop the work, you should not start the work. You should not call these many people to come here. So why you ask to come and sit on the benches to make them fools? No. Expecting something from you and give that, and that's it. Okay. So, okay, and one more humble request is now, partner. And these days I'm feeling so bad about some issues. Actually, we don't have any own house. We have, yes, you know that. That is also rented house. That's one flat is going on. One flat construction is going on. That's only one flat is. And this building is our own building only. But we are not staying. My priority, every time my priority goes to students only first. After that, family. So, some people writing in the reviews something like that. Their facilities like this, and their cots are simple as something like iron table, something. If you open the Google,